Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can find out if your posts on TikTok violate community guidelines. So you could do this very easily by using one of the tools here on TikTok, but head over to your profile, click the top right hand three lines, and then go to TikTok Studio. Now, when you do that, you're going to want to scroll down to the account check option and just go ahead and click that. Now, what that does is it checks your account, see if everything is in line, account status is good. You can see that most of my videos here are checked, which means that they are not violating guidelines. But you can see that there are a lot of them with an exclamation mark. Those posts do violate community guidelines. So that's how you can check if specific videos violate community guidelines. You could check this by just going to the account check option and seeing if your posts do violate guidelines. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you all for the next one.